Hello friends, this is Lekha and you're on channel Lekha's Label. So today I have another shopping haul. Without any further ado, let's just start it. So I have this interesting white shoe. You know, white sneakers are rarely in these days. So I got it from Style Shoes, Lajpat Nagar. These cost me for around 725 rupees. And these are I have been wearing them since I bought. They are little dirty, but just look at the cute shoes. They're very classy and very subtle. And another thing I have, which is this jeans from San Francisco jeans from Pantaloons. I got this jeans for 1700 rupees. This is the jeans. It has interesting patches here. So as you can see, these are the patches. And it does have some ripped things as well. So it cost me around 1700 rupees, this jeans. And let me tell you, this jeans is also available on Jabong for around 1100, but the sizes are very limited there. Then I have this very good, interesting red color backpack. I got it from Lajpat Nagar again, and this one is for 850 rupees. The quality of the bag is very good, very soft, and I can accompany my whole world into this. So I have my laptop and every other necessary things into this right now. Then I have the Club Factory shopping haul. So I got few things from Club Factory. The first thing is this. This is a black color wallet, which I got it for 90 rupees. It does have this cards apartment, so you can accompany a lot of around 8 cards into this. Then this golden zipper, and you can keep your money in it. So this is for 90 rupees. Well, the quality is still decent as far as the price goes. Then I have this cute case, I would say, where I can keep my headphones securely without any tangles. So this is for rupees 60. I have this cute necklace for rupees 90 only. So let me tell you, I got very similar necklace from one of the showroom in Delhi, and that cost me around 499, so 500 rupees. And I got it only for 90 from Club Factory. So I hope you can see it nicely. It will look very nice with everything because it's in white and gold. Then I have this necklace from Club Factory for rupees 60 only. Well, the quality is also still fine. I can say if I want to buy the same necklace from showroom, it will cost me around 300 to 400, and I got it only for 60 rupees. The earrings are little cute pearl earring. I hope you can see it clearly. It cost me rupees 20 only. Then I have these cute danglers, very small little danglers, colorful one, rupees 20 only. Another 60 rupees purchase. Very nice classy silver hardware. It will look very nice with your black color kurtis, plain black or plain white kurtis, or any other color, plain kurtis, even khaki. It will look very nice, and it's only for rupees 60. The quality is also very decent. This is the makeup brush which I got. It is a tiny brush. So let me tell you, when I was buying it from the website, it was looking a little bigger, but I can see it is very tiny. So it's for rupees 60. Then I got some kitchen hardwares, which is these cute cutlets, like for make pancakes at home, or maybe tikkis, heart-shaped tikkis, aloo tikkis. So I would say there are 12 of them, and I got it 10 rupees each. So it cost me 120 rupees for the entire 12 cassette. It's in round as well, heart. I've shown you flower shapes, very interesting. Then I got rupees 140 for this awesome toiletry kit. So I travel a lot, so I would love to buy, although I have another one like this, but this is little tiny, so I really liked it. The quality is also very nice for 140 rupees. It does have this zipper and this hook, so I can hang this at the shelf or the hook in the washroom, and I can use shampoos or whatever toiletry I want to use. So this is another thing. Then I got this cute little soft towel, bathroom towel for 35. Oh my god, I'm sweating. I'll use this. Then I have this bag. So let me tell you, I want to test the quality of Club Factory. That's why I've ordered this thing. So I've ordered this entire 5 bags for 560 rupees. So I'll just show you one by one. So this is the first thing. It's a cute little traveling pouch. I can keep my medicines or makeup or any small accessories like bow pin or something in it. One. Two is this bag, this one, which is very tiny, so I can use it, you know, every day. But let me tell you, I am not very much satisfied with the quality, but as far as the prices I've paid, 560 is not that bad. I can gift it to anybody. Third thing is this wallet, which is in gold hardware. Gold zipper is there, so you can see the wallet. Third. Fourth is this big bag, this one, and it does have back pocket. It does have this the inner of the bag is this. Then I have this key holder, which is another thing. So fourth purchase. This is very nice. This is very useful and nice. And the fifth purchase is the best. I like the most in those 5 bags. So this is a sling. I can use the sling in the 2 bags as well. And it has a slight, side buckle, I would say. So I can unlock it from here and then I can use it as a sling bag. So this is another purchase. So everything like 5 bags for 560 rupees. And I'm not regretting on that at all.